Did you know a conquered people once turned around and became the greatest rulers of the civilization that had dominated them? For centuries, Egypt controlled Nubia, the land south of its borders. They built forts there, extracted its gold, and pushed their culture onto its people. The Nubians absorbed it all: the language, the gods, the rituals. But Egypt grew weak. Its rulers fractured, its traditions faded, and in 730 BCE, a Nubian king named Piye saw his moment. He marched his army north from what is now Sudan, city by city, until he stood at the gates of Memphis itself. Egypt fell, not to a foreign invader who wanted to destroy it, but to someone who loved it more than its own rulers did. Piye didn't loot Egypt, he restored it. He rebuilt temples. He revived ceremonies Egyptians had forgotten. His dynasty built more pyramids than any Egyptian rulers before them. The colonized had become the guardians, and Egypt's later historians quietly tried to erase it.